Find or read reviews that people are talking about Proudeer DW1500, GPS RTK, wire-free robotic lawn mowers. Why you should choose? Because it has the following features. The Proudeer robotic lawn mowers is equipped with full-band RTK and advanced AI vision technology, providing 2 cm high precision positioning and navigation. With RTK signal coverage reaching up to 2.2 km, it accurately maps your yard boundaries in nearly all scenarios. Far more stable and reliable than comparable models, our RTK system ensures uninterrupted, consistent mowing performance. No boundary wires plus efficient, planed mowing. Ditch the hassle of burying boundary wires. Proudeer maps your entire yard, including edges, walkways, and obstacles, automatically or manually. This user-friendly robotic mower calculates the most efficient mowing path and uses a U-shaped cutting pattern to trim grass evenly. The result? Minimal lawn damage, maximum efficiency, and a perfectly manicured lawn with zero effort on your end. Static and dynamic obstacle avoidance plus safety protection, powered by Proudeer's advanced algorithms, AI cameras, and TOF radar. This mower achieves sub 1.5 cm detection precision. It identifies and dodges all obstacles, vertical ones like footballs, pets, and patio chairs, as well as flat hazards such as blankets and leaf piles. TOF radar calculates obstacle distances in real time to prevent collisions, while front-mounted safety sensors trigger instant stops and redirections on contact. Professional-grade mowing and continuous and stable operation, equipped with 4 top-quality brushless motors and rust-resistant SK5 blades, this mower delivers professional cutting power. It provides a wide adjustable cutting height, 1.1 to 3.6 inches, and an 8.7-inch cutting width for more efficient mowing. Rated IPX6 waterproof, it can handle direct water rinsing for easy cleaning. Proudeer designs reliable equipment that stand up to real-world use as a trusted provider of landscaping tools. Intelligent app control and multi-zone customization. The Proudeer app comes with an intuitive interface that lets you create and manage up to 30 mowing zones effortlessly. Set custom mowing schedules, monitor the mower's status remotely, and track real-time cutting progress all from your phone. Plus, OTA updates keep your device equipped with the latest features, ensuring peak performance for years to come. For effortless lawn care, this robotic mower is your ultimate go-to companion. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.